The mission of the Department of Foreign Trade is to drive Thailand trade to be #1 in world trade. Every unit in our department is supportive and ready to impel Thailand trade to achieve the goal.
Go beyond, fly high, go beyond ทะยานก้าวไปการค้าไทยยั่งยืนทะยานก้าวไกลการค้าไทยไปถึง
Broaden Thailand trade. Moving forward to international trade. Rice Trade Administration Division. Thinking of rice. Thinking of Thai rice. The best quality rice in the world. Trade and Investment Cooperation Division. Open cross-border trade and create opportunities for Thailand trade.
Go 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 การค้าต่างประเทศ Go 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 การค้าต่างประเทศ
Strengthen Thailand trade in every dimension.
ต่างประเทศยานก้าวไป
Import Administration and Origin Certification Division. Inspect and certify characteristics and origin of goods. National Imports Exports Product Standard Division. Quality control of export goods. Trade Preference Division. Secure trade advantages by FTA funds and trade preference.
Go 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 การค้าต่างประเทศ Go go go
Strengthen Thailand trade. Protect, solve problems, and break trading barriers. Trade Interests and Remedies Division. Control of trade balance and anti-dumping. Agreement Merchandise Administration and Trade Measures Division. Strengthen Thailand trade. Merchandise Trade Administration Division. Create fair trade and protect domestic consumer. Pave to achieve with world-class services. Bureau of Foreign Trade Service. Speedy export-import procedure and goods origin. Certifying in just one click. Working together in all dimension. Moving forward together. Fly higher. Go beyond.
กรมการค้าต่างประเทศ